My mom would always have to bribe or yell at us to get outside. She still does. Surprisingly, I felt bad, so I came up with a problem and a solution. So listen up. Ever wonder how much screen time the kids are supposed to get? Well, 2 to 5-year-olds are supposed to get 1 hour. 8 to 11-year-olds get 1 to 2 hours. And 18 months and younger get none due to possible damage to brain development. Also, there's sleeping. Screen time can disrupt your kids and make them grumpy when they wake up. And that's when you ask yourself, how much time should my kids sleep for? Well, 1 to 2-year-olds get an average of 11 to 14 hours, at least 9 to 10 hours, and 15 to 16 hours max. 3 to 5-year-olds get 10 to 3 hours average, 8 to 9 hours at least, and 14 hours max. 6 to 13-year-olds get 9 to 11 hours average, 7 to 8 hours at least, and 11 hours max. Lastly, 14 to 17-year-olds get 8 to 10 average, 7 hours at least, and 11 hours max. Sleep is very important. It gives you lots of energy for the next day. So how much activity do the kids really need? Well, 3 to 4-year-olds get 1 hour at least. 5 to 18-year-olds get 1 hour at least also. Kids are supposed to get outdoor activity at least 3 days a week. That's 1 hour every day, at least 3 days a week. We all know that when we get older, we don't really do or really follow how many we're supposed to sleep for and activity. We don't really follow that schedule. But what if you could control how the house feels to get your kids outside without having to really do anything? They just go on their own. We care for our loved ones and we care for our younger ones too. So I came up with an idea, and that's where this starts to get interesting. Imagine it's a very beautiful summer day. It's nice except for the fact that your family members are putting their sweaty bodies everywhere in your house. You turn on the AC and your family is fine, but now they're on their electronics. It's so noisy you can't even enjoy a book. You check the temperature outside. It's so comfortable. It would be nice to get them outside also. Then you think, what if I don't have to force my kids and they choose to go out themselves? Now, coming back to reality, think about thermostats. For example, if it's 67 degrees outside and 50 degrees inside, you want to change that maybe so that it's more comfortable outside than in. So let's say you have a thermostat and you could set it on a timer. You set it on a timer for maybe, let's say, 75 degrees. So now it feels hotter than it is outside. So now your kids want to get outside and you can enjoy some alone time. And your kids are keeping a tight schedule. Thank you.